Welcome to Rome Tips. If you enjoy this video, please consider subscribing to the channel and giving it a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this review are available in the description below. This overview reflects my personal experience using the service. ReDarrowLoans.net is an online platform that connects borrowers with potential lenders. While it may seem like a convenient option for quick cash, understanding the nuances of this service is crucial before applying. The website boasts a streamlined application process, promising rapid access to funds. However, it's essential to carefully review the terms and conditions associated with any loan offer you receive through Red Arrow Loans. Interest rates and fees can vary significantly between lenders, so thorough comparison shopping is highly recommended. Don't rush into any agreement without fully comprehending the repayment terms and associated costs. This service acts as a bridge between borrowers and lenders, but it doesn't directly issue the loans itself. This means your experience will heavily depend on the specific lender you are matched with. Red Arrow Loans emphasizes its network of lenders, suggesting a broad range of options for potential borrowers. It's advisable to research the individual lenders presented to you before accepting any loan offer. Check online reviews and ratings to gain a better understanding of their reputation and customer service. Transparency is key, so look for lenders that clearly disclose all fees and terms. While the allure of quick cash can be tempting, responsible borrowing is paramount. Before using ReDarrowLoans.net or any similar service, evaluate your financial situation and determine whether taking on a loan is the right decision. Consider alternative options, such as borrowing from family or friends, or exploring local credit unions. Short-term loans often come with high interest rates, so it's essential to have a clear repayment plan in place. Failing to repay a loan on time can negatively impact your credit score and lead to further financial difficulties. Remember to borrow responsibly and only what you can comfortably afford to repay. Be sure to thoroughly explore all available options and choose the solution that best aligns with your financial needs and circumstances.